Hi everyone. Hope you all have a beautiful, wonderful weekend. So in this week on Monday, I'm gonna share with you the list of currency pairs I got on my watch list. No, I've sent out some trading signals to the VIP members community. So if you are right there in the VIP members community, you should have gotten the signals I sent out this morning. So I got a Australian dollar pair against USD. This currency pair had been on my watch list for a couple of days right now, for weeks right now, and then I'll be giving analysis on this currency pair. So the right time to strike on the Australian dollar pair against the USD is gradually getting nearer. So I want to share with you how you guys can actually know or trade this currency pair so you don't miss out in this wonderful, amazing trade probability. So right here, I got my chart being projected on the 4-hour chart frame of the Australian dollar. So I'm going to navigate on the daily chart frame so you guys can figure out the whole trend right here. So from the swing low right here, that's on the swing low right here, that was a mid point of March and April. We got an aggressive upward bullish rally, and then we can see price currently transforming, going through a series of transformation through a rising bullish channel. And in this bullish channel now, I can figure out there it's no weakness in the bullish momentum. So I'm gonna zoom in on this daily chart right here. How can I detect there's no weakness in the bullish momentum? So this is what I'm gonna share with you guys. So right here on my chart of the daily chart, we got right here a bullish upward movement. Likewise, right here a bullish upward movement, and then at this moment right here at this swing low right here, we are expecting to have a bullish upward movement, but right now price is currently finding it difficult to break above this level right here, and a key level resistance which acts at the price level of the 0.73719, which was a resistance structure for the reversal of downward trend right there. So at the moment right now, if I should take analysis of this bullish rising channel right here, we can see how price has been respecting the swing low of this trend line support right here, multiple of retest right here. We got a retest of swing low right here, and then price reverse into a short bullish upward rally, even though there was a weakness in bullish rally right here. So at the moment right now, what I can figure out right there is there is interest of the bears trying to shift momentum from the bullish side to the bearish side. And then if you are good in technical analysis, you guys should figure out right here price failed to complete the next bullish leg right here. And then at the moment right now, bears are willing to break out of this dynamic structure right here, which had been an extension from the swing low right here. That was a midpoint of June and July 2020. So what I'm looking out for on this currency pair is I want to see if we can see a well decisive bearish break out of this bullish channel. Then that's gonna give us an indication the bears are willing to put price from the bullish upward rally to the downward rally. So let's navigate on the 4-hour chart frame so we can see how we can get into this trade at the earlier stage. So right here on the 4-hour chart frame of mine, if I should zoom in right here, you can see I got another rising bullish channel in a bigger rising bullish channel on the daily chart. Likewise on the 4-hour chart, I got another rising bullish channel, and then this is it right here. So what you need to do right now as a price action trader is there is time for you to pay close attention to the Australian dollar paid against the USD is this time at the moment. So you got to pay a close attention to this currency pairs right here. We need to see a well decisive breakout. If we can see a retest right here, then that would be a nice superb decision. But it all depends on how price reacts at this dynamic structure right there. If we should study the last previous bearish bar we had right here, we can see it's a massive sell off. And then at this medium right here, we can see we got a choppy market right here, a choppy market whereby the bulls and the bears are both in the state of equilibrium. So at the moment right now, the bears are stepping in aggressively and then pulling price downwards. So there is high probability we may not figure out a retest of this dynamic support right here. So you need to pay a close attention right here. So if you want to apply the aggressive trader strategy, that means if you don't want to wait for a pullback, a retest right here, the best zone to apply your stop loss should be at this swing high right here. That means if you figure out a well decisive close or bar below this dynamic support right here, then if you want to execute an aggressive trader strategy, then you should actually get in right here, have your stop loss right here. Alternatively, if you are that conservative trader and then you want to wait for a pullback of price should retest the dynamic structure right here, then look out for retest right there. Then as well, you can have no your stop loss some pips above the no retest signal bar right here, and that should be at the price level of the 0.72800. So this is what I'm looking out for on my hands right there. So I want you guys to study this currency pairs, have it on your watch list so you don't miss this profitable trade setup right on this currency pair. So if you are on the Australian dollar paid against the Japanese yen, I'm gonna update the latest trading stop loss. I think at the moment right now we are in huge profit. Actually, I missed the New Zealand against the Japanese yen. So the reason why I didn't pay much attention to it is because we are already charting the Australian dollar paid against the Japanese yen. So if you are charting the Australian dollar paid against the Japanese yen and then as well New Zealand against the Japanese yen, this currency pairs, they both have the same currency correlation. So that's why I didn't pay much of my attention on the New Zealand against the Japanese yen. So I'm gonna show you right here. I got the New Zealand against the Japanese yen right here, and we can see right now it's really breaking down right here. It's breaking down, right here. So there's high selling momentum right here. So this the currency pairs I'm watching at the moment right now as well. I'm watching the USD paired against the Canadian dollar. So if I should zoom in on the daily chart right here, we got a massive sell off from the swing high right here. That was in the midpoint of March and April year 2020. We got a massive sell off right here, and then we can see we got series of transformation of bearish rally in this bearish channel right here, and then price broke out of this bearish channel right here, and then the first breakout right here, we can see the first breakout right here. We got the first breakout right here. Price made a reversal of price. There was a reversal of price, and then since then price has been going through a state of consolidation right here. We can see the swing low right here, resistance structure right here, which acted as a support right here, and the price is trying to break this key level structure now. So the best thing you need to do right now, if you want to take this trade based on the daily chart frame, we need to figure out a well decisive close of bar above this minor key level structure, which acts at the price level of the 1.32482. So if I can figure out a well decisive close of bar above this structure right at the end of close of market today, then it's a great the signal for us to go long on the USD paired against the Canadian dollar. As well, I sent out a trading idea on the USD paired against the Swiss right here, and then it's almost the same strategy on the USD paired against the Canadian dollar right here. Just the difference right here is we got a narrow bearish channel right here. We got a narrow bearish channel right here. You can see that price broke out for the first time. Price made a retest, and now price is trying to continue the upward bullish sentiment. So we are trying to get along with this bullish sentiment right here. So I sent out this trading idea to you. If you are the VIP mail section of mine, you should have gotten all this trading idea. So as well, I'm monitoring a lot of currency pairs right here on my hand. I got a British pound sterling paired against the Japanese yen. I gave the analysis on my weekly forex forecast. So if you haven't watched the video, there's a weekly forex forecast. That was a video I released last week. You can go over the video and watch the video. So I believe this is really gonna help you to have a more better understanding about the market this week. So we can see right now my forecast is actually playing right now, and then we have a sell off right now on the British pound sterling against the Japanese yen. So there are a lot of currency pairs I'm sharing with the VIP member section of mine as well. I have the British pound sterling against the ULZ on my watch list, and then we can see right now price is actually making a retest. Price made a retest of the dynamic support that is on the daily chart frame. So let's try and zoom in right here on the daily chart right here. So zooming on this daily chart, we can see right here from the swing low right here, we got a swing high low right here. Price made a breakout right here. We had a close back into this dynamic trend line, and the price is reversing downward. So this is a signal the bears are not yet giving up, and the bears are doing all what they can. It means the bears are still interested in this rally right here. So don't be surprised the bears are willing to put the price of the British pound sterling against the ULZ downward to the next key level structure. That was the previous support level, which acts at a 1.27497. So these are what the currency pairs I got on my watch list right here. These are the currency pairs I am watching out. For more details about this weekly forex forecast, though about the list of currency pairs I got on my watch list this week, do not forget to click on the weekly forex forecast, which is gonna be pop up at the end of this short video of mine. So guys, make sure any trade you wanna execute, make sure you don't risk more than you cannot afford to lose, and then make sure you understand why you are executing a trade. So guys, do have a wonderful day. Peace.